Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So, today we're diving into the world of AI tools that are not just cool but can actually make you money in 2025. According to Goldman Sachs, more than 300 million jobs will be replaced by AI by 2030. So, if you're not experimenting with AI now, you might just be left behind. But here's the catch, there are tons of videos out there promising you wealth from AI tools, but most of them don't live up to your hype. So today I'm sharing 7 AI tools that actually work and can make you money. So some are tried and tested, others are hidden gem you might not know about yet. So let's get into it. Open up your browser, and first up we have Midjourney. You have probably heard of it, but I'm about to show you how to make serious cash using it. Here's the trick. Go ahead and create a niche Instagram page where you can post AI generated images from Midjourney. You can even create cool designs like mystical cabins, futuristic cars, build a following, and sell those as digital wallpaper or prints. But wait, there's more. Instead of just selling digital wallpaper, which is good but not great, use a site like Displayed. Displayed is a print on demand service where they print your AI generated image on metal canvases and even ship them for you. The best part? You just drive traffic to your Instagram and Displayed handles the rest. So start by picking a viral niche, learn the best prompt for Midjourney, create stunning images and post them on Instagram, and then start selling your art as metal prints. Easy, right? The next tool we have is Heygen. If you're already creating content, this next tool is going to blow your mind. Heygen is an AI translation tool that lets you translate video into any language. Sounds cool, right? You can even use this tool to create multilingual version of videos targeting global audience. Imagine managing multilingual social media accounts for creators on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. You could charge anywhere from $2K to $5K a month per account just for translating and managing their content. The world is a big place, so don't let the language barrier stop you from reaching it. Now, next on the list is Hostinger. And this tool is perfect for anyone wanting to build a website fast without needing any coding or design skills. Whether you want to sell digital product or set up an online store, Hostinger's AI website builder does all the heavy lifting for you. Just type in the brand name, describe your business, and boom, an awesome professional website is created. You can even customize it with their drag and drop feature, plus use AI to write product descriptions and optimize for SEO. And guess what? You can get started for just $2.95 a month plus 3 months free. And trust me, if you would like to get into the digital product businesses, this is a game changer. Now, the next tool is perfect for anyone running an online business that needs stunning product images. Enter Photo AI Room. This tool helps you to transfer ordinary stock images into amazing, professional looking product shots. It removes the background and lets you choose new backgrounds to make your product stand out. And here's how to make money with it. Go ahead and find businesses using bad stock images, send them a few samples for free, and offer to redo their entire website product photos. Businesses usually pay hundreds, even thousands of dollars for professional photos. So you can even charge anywhere up to $500 to $1,000 for website makeover that only takes a few hours. Now let's talk about apps. Back in 2012, everyone was scrambling to create the next big app. It was tough and you needed coding skills or huge budget. But now, thanks to Softr, a no-code app builder, you can create your own app without needing to know how to code. Let's say you have a brilliant app idea like a dog walking app. You can type it in into Softr and within seconds the app is built. It's that easy. And once you have tested the waters, you can even move on with more advanced no-code platforms like bubble.io, where people have built apps that make over $100,000 per month. And this is a future of app creation. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. Not for writing ebooks or ghostwriting, but for creating social media content. Combine it with Canva AI and you have got a winning formula to help creators manage their social media accounts. So here's how. Use ChatGPT to create tons of positive, engaging quotes and then throw those into Canva's bulk upload feature. You could easily earn $1,000 to $2,000 a month for just a few minutes of work a day. It's a quick win for those looking to make money online. Well, last but not the least, we have Arc Ads, an AI tool that helps you create user generated ads for businesses. User generated content ads are super effective at driving sales, but businesses often spend thousands on creator to make this. With Arcades, you can create high quality UGC ads in minutes. And the best part, they're almost impossible to detect as AI generated. If you are into affiliate marketing or running an online store, you can use Arcads to create ads for businesses and get a paid commission for every sale made. This tool can help you skip the hassle of creating product, handling inventory, and managing logistics. So there you have it, 7 AI tools that will help you make money in 2025. Whether you are into social media, app development, or running a product based businesses, these tools can help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom. The future is AI, and if you jump in now, you'll be ahead of the game. And that ends the video, guys. Thanks for watching it till the very end. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know which AI tools you're most excited to try. Catch you in the next one.